Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. As some of you guys might remember, I received a PR package last September 18, 2020 from Pretty Secret. And guess what? On January 25, 2021, I received a surprise gift from them. I would like to thank Pretty Secret for sending another package. You guys are the best. Okay, so it was in a big box like this. And there's a paper bag of LIFESTRONG marketing inside. First we have is Pretty Secret's strawberry and vanilla scent foot care set. And let's take out each item. We have their foot soak, foot scrub, foot lotion, foot spray, and a pumice stone. Then we have their manicure kit. Then we have 2 pieces of charcoal hydrogel mask. This one helps detoxify skin, helps brighten skin, and helps improve skin texture. Pamper your skin with Pretty Secret Charcoal Hydrogel Mask. It has charcoal extracts that help detoxify and restore skin moisture while improving the skin texture, leaving you a brighter and youthful glow. Then we have 2 exfoliating volcanic mud masks with white tea and volcanic mud extracts. It helps to remove dead skin cells, helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes, and this gives you a smooth and fresh skin. Pretty Secret exfoliating volcanic mud mask is perfect for clogged skin because it gently removes the dead skin cells from your skin while keeping it well moistured. It is enriched with white tea and volcanic mud extracts that contains nutrients and minerals to help keep your skin feeling smooth and fresh. Next is a bottle of cuticle remover. Then we have Pretty Secrets Fashion Tape. Then we have Pretty Secrets 3D Trendy Nail Stickers. By the way, the stickers on my nails are Pretty Secrets 3D nail stickers. Then a do-it-yourself nail art Fimo decals. And lastly, we have their classic nail color collection. I've already posted a swatch and review for this collection before, so I'll just leave the link in the description box if you would like to see it. Once again, I want to thank Pretty Secret and LifeStrong Marketing for all of these amazing products. Don't forget to check out Pretty Secret on Facebook and on Instagram. And you can buy their products at Watson's PH and also on Shopee. I'll be leaving all of their links on the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!